Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this candy cane. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 30 chain crochet stitches, 30. Okay, we will make 30 chain crochet stitches. Sorry for background noise, my kid is playing. Once you are done with 30 chain crochet stitches, now we need to skip this loop, this stitch which is after the current loop on the needle. Okay, and from next stitch we will start making 3 single crochet stitches in one single stitch. Okay, so in each single stitch we have to make 3 single crochet stitches. Here we are done with the first stitch. Now second stitch. Again we will make 3 single crochet stitches in one stitch itself. So this we are going to do for all the stitches. We are going to make 3 single crochet stitches in each single stitch. And once we are completed with one stitch, we will shift to next stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for single crochet stitch, link is already given in description. Please click on the link and you can get complete tutorial with slow demonstration. So it is easy to understand, easy to refer. I'll just complete this whole line and I'll show you. We are just making 3 single crochet stitch in one single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this whole line. Now see, they get spurred, like they get rounded up. That line get rounded up. So using same pattern, we will make one more rounded up thing. We call it curly cues. So with red color, one with white and one with red. Okay, and now we will hold both ends together and we will turn both of them parallelly, one into another. See, so it looks like one. Just turn it properly and now just bend the upper part, and first we need to stitch both ends so that they don't move. See, these two ends we will stitch. We will just put a knot over there. Say only 1 or 2 stitches. We will just try to make them attached so they don't move anywhere. Here, and bottom 2 ends also we will stitch. That's it. And now see, for a cane, for that U shape, we will take 3 or 4 of the curly cues and we will put a knot over there. So down they are like attached and upper part is like free. See, this is how we get that cane shape. You just need to turn it round. See, like this. Go on turning it, because they tend to get released. Yeah, see, there we get a candy cane. We can use it as Christmas tree decoration also. This is a final piece. Those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lot new videos. And those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with many new ideas, many new designs. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for staying till end. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.